Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Mississippi Girl Life. I am Tamika, just a country Mississippi girl living in North Carolina. I'm the wife to a Marine Corps veteran who is also a New York City boy. I'm the mother to 3 wonderful children, and we have a fur baby. Her name is Summer. She is a pit bull and beagle mix. On my channel, I show you so many different things. Yes, it's a variety channel. We garden over here so we can eat healthy. I'm a couponer so we can save money. I raise chickens now, so we can have some free eggs and different things like that. It's just so much to find over here. So I hope my channel motivate and inspire you in the different ways that I am showing things. So with that being said, I hope y'all enjoy this channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the video if it's God's will. Alright y'all, so I'm out here in the garden about to do an updated garden tour so I can show y'all what's planted in buckets, what's started, what I gotta do next, and everything like that. So yeah, this is a garden tour update. So let's get into it. Alright y'all, so right here is, I just got some flowers here. These are the pepper plants that I'm doing. Habaneros, ghost peppers, all right here. I think I got some green bell peppers in there too. This is all my trellises. Well, tomato cages I use to trellis. Right here is some zucchini plants. Remember, they was tiny when I put them in here. They are growing really good. And this one right here got flowers and it's got zucchini on it. Let me get close so y'all can see. Y'all see the zucchini? It's right there. So yeah. Oh, and there go another one right there. So we got zucchini coming. So let's go over here. So on this back wall is all my cabbage and Brussels sprouts. That's what that is back here. Cabbage and Brussels sprouts. Well, these are Brussels sprouts. These are cabbage down here. Right here is my squash, and we got little squashies coming. Different type of squash. Yes. So that was kind of quick because they was tiny when we put them in here. This is some more type of squash right here. Right here is all of my spaghetti squash that I started from seeds. So they are growing really good. I'm so happy. So yeah, they are growing really good. So these are spaghetti squash. This one right here is taking off. This one and this one. Over here is, all these are eggplant. All these are eggplant right here. Gratel eggplant. We got the classic eggplant. I think I got some purple eggplant. Ichabod eggplant. So this is another flower bed. Right here was an unknown plant, but I know what it is now. It's got to be a cucumber. That's a cucumber plant all day. So yep. These are the rest of my cucumber plants, and we got little cucumbers forming. So excited about that. So all these that you see right here are cucumbers. They're all cucumbers. And they are vinely, so I'll be making sure that I trellis them really good. And then over here is where all my collard greens, mustard greens, turnip greens, and all that, and my Swiss chards will be. So yeah, so those right there, I just watered those, so they kind of laid down. But yeah, they're all good. Right here is, this is my grape tree that I had got that was reduced. It was a stick, and look at it now. She's coming back good. I told y'all that I thought that I had lost my pomegranate because I bought it inside. Well, she is doing even more better right now. So she's coming back nicely. So I will not take her back in no more. Right here is, well, let's just go right here and work my way back. So right here is the chickens' food, some of their food, lettuce and stuff I put in here. They growing really good. Try y'all in. Really, really good. All those are tomatoes because I will be feeding them tomatoes and stuff. So yeah, remember the tomato plants were so little, they are going crazy now. So yeah, I gotta take them weeds out. Right here is my blueberry bush, still doing good. Have blueberries coming. These blueberries right here, look at it. Oh, I cannot wait. They look so good, so good. Look at it. Yes, I can't wait. That's another blueberry. This right here is a lot of weeds just growing in the bucket. I'm gonna take it and give it to the chickens. Right here is my raspberry bush. This is a raspberry bush, and these three right here are blackberry bushes. So yeah, that's what they looking like. Right here is my naked cherries. Remember, they was really little and they are doing really, really good. Right here is a cantaloupe, and look, y'all, look at all these flowers. Yeah, all these flowers, they flowering. This one right here is my sugar baby watermelon. It is growing like crazy. That is now my cantaloupe. These are the Minnesota midget melons. Those two, I started all those from seeds. See, that's why I say when I start my stuff from seed, it grows so fast and so good. When I buy starts and stuff, they still grow fast and good, but not as good as when I do it from my own seeds. This one is from my seed, another Minnesota midget melon. So let's go up top. So up top, this is my greenhouse. Well, actually, I didn't even go over there. I gotta go up. Okay, we're gonna talk about the greenhouse, then I'm gonna go over there. So this is my greenhouse that Miss J Stewart bought for me off the Amazon wish list. This is what it looks like. So I got a lot of my stuff that I'm starting from seeds up in here. Got some herbs and stuff. What is that? Flies in there. So over there I got some basil and some mint, some chives, and all the starts in there. So let's go over here to the beans area. I straight forgot about coming over here. Let's go right here. So right here is all my potatoes. These are the transplanted ones, and they are growing bigger than the ones that were started from the seeds. Look at that. Those are the transplanted ones. These are the ones that that was right from the seeds. So these are some more. These are some more. These are my long Chinese red beans. These are my Taiwan yard beans. So I gotta get my trellises up. These I think are my golden wax. These are my red swan. I don't have nothing in these right now. And I still got a lot of buckets that's got to be filled. Okay, so these are red potatoes, blue potatoes right there. And right here are my my gold potatoes right here. Okay, right here is hubby's flower bed. It's all peppers in it, all peppers, different type of peppers. All right, y'all, so I'm up here on the top. So this is my pear tree. This is the tree right here that I got discounted because they wasn't watering it at Lowe's. I'm still gonna leave it in there and see if it's just dormant or whatever, if it's gonna come back. But y'all saw it on that live screen. It was almost like this when I got it. So yeah, right here is these are my patio cucumbers that I transplanted. I got my olive tree doing good. This is my lemon tree. This is the regular lemon. Yeah, the Meyer lemon. Patio. These are the patio. There we go. I had y'all too close. That's the patio. These right here are the strawberries that I had transplanted. And y'all, look at the peach tree. Peaches are getting bigger and bigger. Oh, I can't wait for all this fruit. Look at that. Can't wait for all this fruit. Yes. So then I got some strawberries right here, which I need to pull those strawberries. I'm gonna pull those strawberries. There's some right there. This right here is my which one is this? My pink variegated lemon patio tree. This is some more patio cucumbers, my lettuce and stuff like that, which I gotta get because the sun is starting to get what happened was I had moved it around and I had it in directly in the sun. I had moved it off in here and it started burning it. So I'm gonna get what I can get off from it, cut it down so we can start some fresh salad bowl lettuce. It was my bad. Where I placed it, I supposed to be going back to get it, but oh well. Right here is some more strawberry plants up here. This is that other fig tree that I bought earlier this year on sale, and she is growing nicely. And this is my big baby, my big baby, my big fig tree that I have. So she is doing lovely. Cannot wait to get some figs from her. So yeah, y'all, that is the updated garden tour. Sorry I moved a little fast through it, but I got other stuff that I need to start seeds for and stuff like that. So trying to get everything so I can have everything out there and growing, and we can get to harvesting and doing what we got to do. So if you have not checked out the live stream that I have started, it running 24 hours. It's on the chicks. I do pop in on there, talk to y'all, say hi and all that good stuff. You can always see when we working in the chicken coop, when we collecting eggs. That's gonna run continuously now on Mississippi Girl Life, so you can always come in and see the chicks and everything like that. I do have a light in my chicken coop. It's a LED light, so I do change the lights and stuff every day with the color of them and stuff, so it'll be 24-hour light out there. So with that being said, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I got so many more videos to come, healthy videos, all different type of things, y'all. So with that being said, I hope y'all enjoy, and I'll see y'all in the next video, honey buns. Y'all be safe, okay? Okay, y'all, so that's the end of the video. I hope you were motivated. I hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And also check out the information in the description box below, because it has a lot of links to different things that you may be interested in. So with that being said, y'all be safe, and I'll see you in the next one if it's Jehovah's will. Bye.